got a box of old family VHS tapes sitting in a closet somewhere. The problem is tapes don't last forever, and VCRs are getting harder to find every year. The good news is, it's easier than you think to save those memories. There are 3 main ways to convert VHS to digital: do it yourself at home, mail-in services, or a local shop. Option 1, DIY at home. You'll need a working VCR, a USB capture card, a few cables, and your computer. You press play, capture the video on your computer, and save it as an MP4. DIY is usually the cheapest option, but it takes time and a bit of patience. Option 2, mail-in services. You order a kit, pack your tapes in a box, ship them off, and get your videos back on USB in the cloud or on DVD. It takes a few weeks, but it's a great set and forget solution for bigger tape collections. Option 3, local conversion shops. You drop your tapes off in person, talk to a real human, and skip the shipping altogether. Search VHS to digital plus your city, check the reviews, and ask if they do the work in-house. Whichever path you choose, quality starts with a decent VCR and tapes in reasonable condition. Ask for MP4 files, keep at least 2 backups, and don't expect 4K, it's VHS, and that's okay. So DIY for control, mail-in for convenience, or a local shop for hands-on help. If you want plain language guides, gear tips, and a directory of trusted services in Canada and the US, visit VHStoDigital.info.